Alright, gang, these are some nylon Air Force coats I picked up out thrifting. This is called an MA-1. It's got the orange interior, tags long gone, side pockets, no patches, nothing. I think these are from like B-52 crews, but I'm not sure. But it's a really cool coat. It's called an MA-1. It's kind of a light coat. And then this is an N3-B. This is a heavy parka. I'm thinking this was made in the 60s or 70s. It's got a heavy-duty zipper. It's got the pocket on the side there. And it's got the coyote collar. It's a real winter coat. I still live up in Alaska. This is what everybody at the Elmendorf Air Force Base had, and everybody else was smart enough to buy these. I don't know if you can see that decal, the label. Yes, there it is. Jacket, Flying Man's, nylon twill, sage green, USAF, type N3-B. I'm a 4850 weightlifter, so this one fits me great. 4850 shoulders, and it's a large. It's a really an awesome coat. I was just thrilled to find it. So the earlier ones had an Air Force like patch decal, you could call it right there, kind of like a decal. Now I think they sell them on eBay as an iron-on, and then the next series would be this series.